Hello and welcome to Nevada State High School's College Planning Tutorial, Part 2, Associate's Degree for all students. Use the guide bar at the bottom of the presentation to navigate through the presentation. Click the Forward button now to begin. During this presentation, we will continue the process of college degree planning. This lesson is the second in a series of 3 designed to walk you through the course planning process step by step. If you have not completed Lesson 1, stop this presentation and return to Lesson 1 before continuing. In this lesson, we will review from Part 1 and continue your course planning to include an associate's degree from CSN. We will also cover some material you will need moving forward into the third and final lesson. At the conclusion of this presentation, you will take a short 5-question quiz that covers this material. Let's get started. Click to the next slide when you are ready. Before we move on, let's make sure you have everything you need. You should have your high school resource sheet filled out with current classes circled and high school credits calculated. You should also have the Degree Academic Planning Form version 1 and 2 partially filled out so that it only contains classes required for an advanced high school diploma, with elective courses left blank. It is recommended that you have a copy of your high school transcript, but not required for this lesson. Finally, you should have a physical printed copy of the Associates of Arts degree from CSN. For the degree planning lessons, you should be using a pencil, not a pen, because again, things could get messy. Click to the next slide if you are ready to continue. This is the degree sheet that you should have in front of you. If you would like to align a different associate's degree at another time, that is fine, but this one is required for this assignment for 3 reasons. First, it aligns well to Nevada State High School's course plan and high school credits needed for graduation. Second, many other degrees require specific courses that may be difficult to schedule. Third, this degree allows more flexibility with electives that can work towards various bachelor's degrees. This degree and any other from CSN will require an approving signature from a CSN representative, not Nevada State High School. Nevada State High School is here to help you plan and to prepare you to speak with the college counselor, but only the colleges can sign off on their own degrees. This sheet will show you most of the classes you will need to take in order to earn the associate's degree, but you will need to become familiar with finding, using, and understanding college and university course and degree catalogs. They can be found on the school's websites and provide lots of valuable information regarding prerequisites, specific degree and school requirements, such as what classes fill multicultural and international requirements. The degree sheet is a great resource and a tracking tool, but it will not contain all of the information you will need. Click to the next slide when you're ready to continue. So, let's continue planning. The first step is to take your associate's degree sheet and the Degree Academic Planning Form from Lesson 1 and place them side by side in front of you. You're going to need to identify classes that are required for the associate's degree that you already have scheduled on your academic planning form. When you see a class that you have planned to take for high school and that it can be taken to meet requirements for the associate's degree, check it off your associate's degree sheet, and then on your planning form, check the A box as well. This indicates that that class is working for your high school requirements as well as your associate's degree. For example, English 101 is required for the associate's degree, but you should already have it on your academic planning form to meet 1 semester of an English high school requirement. Cross the identical course off the associate's degree sheet and check the A box next to it on your degree academic planning form. English 101 would then have both the H and the A boxes checked, indicating again that it is meeting requirements for both high school and your associate's degree. It is the same with PSC 101. You should already have this class scheduled for half a credit in high school government, and then it also fulfills the constitutional requirement for the associate's degree at CSN. Cross it off your degree sheet and check the A box on the planning form. After you align what classes you have planned for high school with those on the associate's plan, you will identify the high school required or remedial courses that do not align with the associate's degree. If a class is remedial, it will not count for an associate's or bachelor's degree, so you cannot do anything with it. You want to get out of remedial classes as soon as possible, as they are slowing you down in your degree progress. If a class is only needed for high school and does not meet an associate's degree requirement, add it to the elective area of your associate's degree sheet and circle it. You will come back to this in Lesson 3. Do this for all classes that are on both the degree academic planning form and your associate's degree sheet. When you are done, click to the next slide. So far, we have not added any classes to the degree academic planning form. We have just identified which courses will count towards both high school and college requirements. Now we need to plan the rest of the courses for your associate's degree. There are a few rules when doing this. First, do not get rid of any class already on the form. You can't get your associate's degree without a high school diploma. Math is still required each semester you are enrolled at Nevada State High School. If you have all of your math for high school and your associate's degree, you still need to be in math classes for now. Again, this is not your final plan. The final plan comes in the third lesson, but for now, math is an extra class and is taken every semester. Second, be careful with science. Make sure you get the lab you need with one of your classes. Third, once you start planning the courses, you may see that you will need to plan for summer and extra courses each semester in order to meet your graduation goals. On the degree planning form, you may start to utilize the summer classes and plan to take full advantage of 5 college classes every semester if you qualify. You could even pay a little extra and take a 6th class every semester. Remember, when planning your courses, schedule them so that you meet high school and associate's degree requirements first. Fourth, first-year juniors should set a goal to finish their associate's degrees or equivalent credits by the semester or summer they graduate from high school. First-year seniors should plan to finish 1 year after graduation. You may need to change the order or semester for some of your courses in order to get that goal. I hope you used a pencil. Go ahead and fill out your form now. You should now have the degree academic planning form filled out so that it outlines your courses for both high school graduation and an Associates of Arts degree from CSN. All classes should be marked with an H or an A or both, depending on the requirements that particular course is filling. You should also validate that all classes, including electives, are crossed off your associate's degree sheet. Now you have a plan to earn both a high school diploma and an associate's degree, hopefully by the time you graduate from high school. Click to the next slide when you're ready to continue. In order to prepare for the most important and final lesson, you will need to do a few things. First, save all of your papers from lessons 1 and 2. They're going to be very helpful in the final lesson. Second, select and print a bachelor's degree worksheet from a college or university of your choice and bring it with you to the final lesson. It can be any degree from any school, just make sure it's a bachelor's degree. Third, pass your classes with C's or better. Grades less than that are not likely to transfer to different colleges or meet some specific degree requirements. Click to the next slide when you are ready to continue. This is the end of Lesson 2. We picked up where we left off on Lesson 1 and added the associate's degree to our planning. We looked at courses to meet both high school and college requirements to help us maximize your time at Nevada State High School. You were also given some homework before Lesson 3. Don't forget what you need to bring. Now let's take a short 5-question quiz covering the material in this lesson. Click to the next slide when you are ready. Let's go through a couple of things before you begin your 5-question quiz. First, after answering each question, click Next. After answering all of the questions on the quiz, click Submit All. You will have 2 opportunities to take this quiz. Read each question carefully and good luck. Click to the next slide when you're ready to continue.